Welcome to 22362 Market Street in Cornelius, North Carolina. This home is absolutely beautiful and will sell quickly. The front porch greets your guests and the foyer is warm and inviting. Come on inside, let's take a look. There's a great open floor plan with the great room, dining area, and kitchen all open to each other. The homeowner just recently purchased these 3-inch plantation shutters that decorate all of the windows in this end unit home. Absolutely gorgeous and hates to leave. The home is a former model with recessed lighting, built-in speakers, crown molding, and extra deep baseboards. The kitchen is upgraded with a wine refrigerator and bar area. The island has seating for additional guests. The Gourmet Kitchen has upgraded cabinets, built-in oven and microwave, the wood hood fan, the gas cooktop, dishwasher, and again that wine refrigerator. We have soft closed drawers, beautiful granite counters, and a backsplash. From the kitchen, you can enjoy all of your guests as you entertain. In addition, this unit has an attached garage, which is rare in the neighborhood. Most of the garages are detached, and so this one is right off of the kitchen, and you can go right inside to your home. It's very convenient when you're bringing in luggage and groceries to be able to just pull right into your garage and walk into your home. The dining area overlooks the side patio. And from there, to get to the master, keep going straight through the great room, and the master is on the left. The master bedroom is a great size, again with those beautiful engineered hardwood floors, an upgraded tray ceiling with extra recessed lights, the built-in speakers, the crown molding, and once again, a really good size. The master bathroom has the seamless glass shower, ceramic tile, and a shower seat. The master bath also has a linen closet, 2 vanities so that everyone can get dressed at the same time, and a wonderful walk-in closet that is attached to the first floor laundry. Let's go upstairs and take a look. The loft is flex space for you to use the way you see fit. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 bath upstairs. This first bedroom the homeowner was using as an office. The absolute favorite part upstairs is this upper level patio. The patio is a great place to have your morning coffee and unwind in the evening, sit, people watch, and nobody really even notices that you're there. Now we are in the 3rd bedroom, which is also a good size. And both of these bedrooms have walk-in closets. The carpet is barely used on this 2nd floor. And so it's all in absolute pristine condition. There's also walk-in attic storage on the 2nd floor next to that main bathroom. Let's go outside and take a look at the side patio off of the kitchen. It is oversized. It goes beyond the covered area that most people get, so you have plenty of room to entertain your guests and get to the sunshine. This side yard also is fenced. In addition to the 2-car garage, we have a long driveway for guest parking. Now let's go over and look at where the community pool area is. There's on-street parking. There are bathrooms right here and a sitting area. And then here is the community pool. And we'll go down. Normally the chairs would be out around the pool. This neighborhood has plenty of walking distance shopping. The grocery store is 2/10 of a mile away from this wonderful home. The shopping has everything you can imagine: nail salon, dry cleaners, hair salon, everything you can think of is right there. Here's the bridge. Hurry to see this home. It's going to go quickly. If you have any questions, don't forget to call, email, or text. Thanks a lot.